are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. So here we have Mr. Ubaid Ahmed, the man behind the show. Welcome to this interview. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Ubaid Ahmed and I am the Senior Director and Head of Marketing for BIEC. Also, I am the EC member for Indian Exhibition Industry Association.
All right, so we are seeing the 10th year of this open seminar today and in Bangalore. So, what was the idea behind doing this, and what exactly do you want to reach out through the seminar?
Firstly, Bangalore was a turn in 2019 because of COVID pandemic. We were not able to do any physical activity. So the moment the activity started, we thought the first thing is let's the industry people gather together over here and let's have a seminar in a physical event. So that was all the idea behind it. We got the full support from the IIA EC. They all stood behind us and said that okay, we have to do a physical activity. So that's why we are here.
So, what difference do you find in the yesteryear's seminars and today?
The number of people gathering that have come down, but hopefully this 200 people who have already registered will get ample amount of networking opportunities and they will go with a lot good experience.
Absolutely, I guess quality matters over quantity. So, what challenges do you think are there in future for the exhibition industry? Because this is a people's industry.
Yeah, actually it's a people's industry and physical activity is very important. Face-to-face meetings are very important in any exhibitions. We had tried all types of formats like a hybrid or maybe a 100% virtual event, but nothing has succeeded. So hopefully with this wave coming down slightly and this Omicron thing taking its own shape and coming down on its own, by Feb and March we will have regular activities starting with full flow. Like during pandemic also, we did the largest exhibition on gems and jewelry, the IIJS Premier Show, which happened over here from 15th to 19th of September, which attracted more than 77,200 square meters of space with more than 1,250 exhibitors. And there were more than 50,000 visitors in the 5-day show. So subsequently there are shows, they have come down in size, but gradually we are aiming our next IMTEX, which is going to take place from 20 to 26th of March, not March, it will take place from 20 to 26th of January, will attract at least 60,000 visitors. That is what we are aiming for.
So, what is the new protocol that you will be following? Because a lot of things have changed, and to gain the trust of the people to participate and distributors to invest.
See, basically the first thing is get the confidence of both the exhibitors as well as the visitors. So there are a lot of activities we are planning to do. The first and foremost thing is we are ensuring that everybody who is coming to BIC during the event period, right from the vendors to the service providers to the exhibitors and then to the visitors, they are all double vaccinated. So we are promoting it heavily. We are making sure that all the COVID norms are being followed in the as well as for the organizers as well as for the venue basically.
What do you think has been the challenge in terms of the manufacturing, industry? Because economically it has suffered badly in these 2 years. Coming back and doing exhibitions, do you think they'll participate in lot?
See, manufacturing is growing in India as of now. When we talk to our members, they are all full with orders. The only constraint that is happening as of now is the increased cost of the raw material. That is really affecting their bottom line. But hopefully that will also come down. All our exhibitors whom we are in touch with, they are all very positive and they are all confirming us larger spaces.
Do you think India will be the next biggest hub of exhibitions in the next future?
We should be with the 1.3 billion population what we have, we should be.
All right, we wish you all the best and thank you so much for coming for this event. Thank you.
Thanks, pleasure is mine. Thank you. Bye.